Taryl here. Today we're going to take out this snow kitty that I built last year. Since we got a little bit of snow, we got about 3 or 4 inches of snow out there. Last year we didn't get any snow, and the snow we did get was real wet and heavy and it wouldn't go through it. So this stuff is real frozen out there, because you can see inside the building it's a little bit above 20 degrees in here, and I think it's almost 30 degrees outside right now. So we're going to see how this thing does in some snow. So we're going to take it outside and ride it around. Yeah, that was a blast. Yeah, that was fun. It went through that snow. I didn't have to put that little snow plow on the front. It might need some fenders though, because it keeps kicking all this snow up on here. You know, I got a belt guard here, but I don't know if I would be able to even add any kind of fenders to it, but yeah, it goes good through the snow. I'm sure it has its limitations on the depth of snow. This seems to be about the right amount, 3 or 4 inches. But yeah, it's cold out there, and it was ripping around. It had no problem going through it. It was a lot of fun. I feel like Aqualung right now. I got schnapps running down my nose. Greasy mechanic hands smearing shabby Taryl clothes. You like when I sing, don't you? 'Cause I'm snot your lung. I need to get a Kleenex or a tissue or something. Oh, that's right. It's not Kleenex, it's a tissue. Kleenex is a brand name. All right, let me find a tissue. Oh, here's one.